Subhan. I was checking your homework.
I sent you full homework.
Yes, I received it. Uh,
Just a second.
do you have that notebook in which you have written your homework?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Take it out.
Here, ma'am, pick it up.
Hmm. The first thing is that write the question on also, okay, in your homework. Wherever there are small parts, I think you can write them up. Other than that, uh, uh, question part 6 of exercise number 14.1, question number 2. Yes. Exercise number 14.1, question number 2, part number 6. Part 6.
Okay.
Maybe the question is 5x square y minus 15. This is the question, right?
Here, ma'am.
Hmm. Could you just tell me that what was the actual question? This was the question only, 5x square minus 15. 5x square y minus 15 was the question. Yes, Subhan.
No, ma'am, I just like represent.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
what?
there was a XY. XY square. XY square was there, ma'am. I like wrote the question only, then I wrote the answer from the text.
That's why I was asking you that what was the actual question? What is the question?
And the question is 5x square y minus 15x y square. Ma'am, actually,
Minus 15 y square.
yeah, xy square.
This is the question,
Yeah, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Yeah, then question is correct. Fine, fine. Then it is correct. Always write the start with the question. Start with the question, okay? Whenever there is a question, first write the actual equation, then
Right.
start with it. I thought the question is 5x square y minus 15, and from where you have took xy
Ma'am, I wrote in my
common. Right,
notebook.
right. It's fine. The question is fine. I am unable to see it. Come to the question number. Which question number 8? Part 8. What
Yeah,
is the matter with this part 8?
I was not able to do that.
What is the question?
And the question is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca.
So can I take common 4? Even 4a can be taken as common. What is left? Minus a plus b minus c.
Oh,
In this exercise, we are not using identities, right? In this exercise, there is no use of identity. Hmm?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, then ninth is done. Third, second part is done. Only, there was just second part and third. Okay, third part is also there. Then come to exercise number 14.2.
Sure.
All the questions are wrong. You were not able to understand. Tomorrow also I have asked you, you have to split 30m, right? You don't have to multiply it. How will you split the thing? You will split the thing. How will you split the thing? How will you split the thing? Tell me.
This one,
How will you split the thing?
ma'am, like we have to.
Question number 1, third part. I have received third part of question number 3, that is 25m square plus 30m plus 9. How will you solve this question?
Just like first we have yeah.
What? Not audible, not audible.
Yeah.
Yes, speak.
You know, first we have to take the 25 as like we have to bring it to the
We have to use it through identities, right? So what will you do? How will you do this question?
Ma'am, the identity will be A plus B
That
square
is right. You have written that identity uses a plus b whole square is equals to a plus b, a square plus 2ab plus b square. But how will you do the question? You have written it
Ma'am,
as 25m square plus 5m into 6m plus 9. What is this? You have written this only, right? Even you have not written this also. I don't know what you have done, Saban. The correct way to do this type of question is, yesterday also we have took it very clearly that we will firstly multiply the term which is with the highest power of the variable, that is square of the variable, and with the coefficient, right? We have to take these two terms first and we have to multiply them. If I multiply 25 into 9, what is it? How much would it be?
ma'am, you are lagging.
25.
Yeah, ma'am, it's
Please.
two. Ma'am, it's 225. 200.
Very smart. 225. Okay. Now, what was the second
Yeah.
point? That we have to split this. What do we have to do? We have to see the coefficient. How much is the coefficient of m? Anji, what?
Ma'am, 30.
Right. It's 30. 30 is the coefficient of m. Now what do we have to do? We have to find any two numbers such that their product should be equal to 225, which have came by multiplying the coefficient of m square and this 9, and also such that either the addition of that or either the minus difference of that should be equal to 30. So can you just decide any of the two numbers who will get multiplied by each other, add up or subtracted, will give the difference or the sum of 30?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बोलो. 225 is
ma'am, 15. 15.
15 to be multiplied with what?
15.
15 into 15 is equals to 225, whereas 15 minus 15 is also equals to 30, right?
No, it's 0.
Then
Ma'am, 15
add
plus 15 is
15
equal
plus
to.
15 is equal to 30, right?
Yeah.
So how will this equation be converted? 25m square will remain the same plus 15m plus 15m plus 9. Okay, Saman? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now see, 25 into 29 remained the same, that is 225, whereas 15m plus 15m is equals to 30m. There is no difference in the question, whereas in the second step, right? We should expand the thing in such a way that the question should not get changed. Okay. So what is it? 25m square as it is we have to split this 30m. How? So that the two numbers would have the addition or subtraction of 30, whereas the product should be the product of the coefficient of m square, whereas the constant which is present in the equation. Is that clear to you now?
Yeah.
Now what would be the next step?
Are you saying something?
I'm saying what would be the next step?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be like
Now what will you do? You will
5m,
take common from these two
5m,
terms.
5m square, 5m, ma'am, 5m, only 5m.
5m or 5m square? What?
Ma'am, only 5m.
Okay. Inside what would be left?
Ma'am, they will be like 5m square will, yeah, ma'am, 5m only will be left. Plus 3, 3m
What should
plus 3m.
3m?
Yeah, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Oh no, ma'am, only 3, ma'am, only 3.
Then what should I do?
Ma'am, then plus, ma'am, again, like, we can take 3 as like, yeah, 3 and in bracket 5m plus 3. Yes,
So how will we check that we are
ma'am,
going correct? See, this bracket and this
yes, ma'am,
bracket
this
is same.
will be same.
Yes. 5m plus 3 is left
And
from
then,
this,
ma'am, in
whereas
bracket
we take
5m
right.
plus 3.
Now the two things are same which are going to multiply. So what we are writing it as 5m plus 3 whole square. Is that clear to you, Sobhan?
Ma'am, I wrote the same answer, but like
But the method is wrong. What
steps
will
are
I do
very.
with the
Yes,
method
ma'am.
is wrong.
Also, it took a long time to do
Which which?
this.
So I
This
don't know that
action.
from where you have brought this method.
Ma'am, from the textbook, I saw it somewhere.
I don't think it's possible.
I saw from the textbook only.
Okay, well, from wherever you have saw, just take the screenshot of that thing and send it to me. Okay, but yes, I am informing you that the method is wrong. Okay,
Okay.
only the yes, only the answer have came out to be correct, but your this method is not correct. I'm giving you the another question from the homework only. You just try to solve it, then we'll carry on. But in between, if something happens, kindly join the class again. Okay, Sobhan?
Ma'am, I joined, but no one was there, ma'am.
When? Today or yesterday?
Ma'am, yesterday, ma'am.
I have waited for a long time.
Yesterday.
Okay, leave yesterday. Talk about today. That if something happens, just kindly connect it again.
Okay.
This is the another question. Just try to solve it. This is the question, right? 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. This is the main question, right?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
send this question from your notebook only. Okay, fine. Do.
And we have to multiply the 49 and 36.
Yes, we have to. Just inform me when you're done.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can I just I got the answer of 49 into 36. I got 1764. Can I just divide it and write down? No, I can't.
You just repeat what have you just said.
No,
You
no.
got the answer as 1764. What else?
Ma'am, I thought I will divide it by 2, so I'll get some answer and I multiply it by 2, but we have to add it. That's right. So that will be wrong. That's right.
These are lengthy questions, okay? Even brainstorming.
I'm not finding it. Can be added.
Reach till where?
Nothing but I'm just doing the to find the number which will be added.
Saban, there is no. Just a second. Okay, so I was just saying that there is no such trick to solve these type of questions. There is no trick to solve these type of questions, okay? You have to just apply some humor. And could you just wait for 1 second?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Just tell me one thing, Soban, that what do you think? What we have? We have 1764, right? So we have an even number in the end, okay? So either there could be a chance that it could be divisible by 2. Something would be divisible by 2. But do you think that Multiplying anything with 2 can give you 84. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
It will give you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Multiplying with 2 will get, ma'am, 42, ma'am. 42 multiplied by 2, 84.
But we have to find the sum as 84, right? We do not have to find the product as at 84. The product should be what? Your 1764. And whereas your sum should be what? 84. Right? Or wrong?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Then
know the product. Ma'am, product will be 822 into 2. It will be 1761.
how much? How much?
822, I think, ma'am.
822 into 2.
Yeah, ma'am.
So is 822 plus 2 equals to 84?
No, ma'am, that's what I was
So
saying.
there would be 100 of any of the two numbers whose product will come to be 1764. The main concern is this also, right? Both the concerns are our main, that the product should be this, whereas the sum should be this. Now what do we do? 22 into 2 will not give you 1764. 42 into 2 will not give you 1764. Just check over here, Sopan. Does it give you the same product whereas the same sum? Hmm?
Let me check. Ma'am, it does.
It does.
Yeah.
So that is the thing that you have to do it yourself only, right? There is no trick which I can tell you for this thing, right? Now try it the question. Now try the
Yeah,
question.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I can.
Firstly, Sopan, if you get such a big number, first try the square of the things, okay? Generally, there are the squares which give such a big numbers. And this step is the most important step, as without this step, we cannot move forward. The question will left as it is. Try.
Ma'am, like the 84 YZ, so like I will write it as 49y square plus 42yz plus 42yz plus 36z square, right?
What do you think?
I
Does
think
the
so, yes.
product gives you 49y square, gives you 1764 y
Yeah,
square, z is
ma'am, it gives.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then the question, then the terms are fine. Go.
Ma'am, you're lagging.
I am not saying anything, Saban. You may continue with the question. Was it audible?
Okay, ma'am, okay. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Call me when you are done. Do it fast.
Um,
Done.
no,
What is left in the question now? Just show it to me. What are you doing?
ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute? I'm just like writing the answer now. I will show you.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
And show. Okay, let's see. So mine it's not visible. You can keep your notebook down. It's not visible.
The answer is 7y plus 6z square.
Is it right?
Yeah, that's right.
Then, wait, just a second.
Ma'am, the third one, can I do it as homework? I will try to. But
Let me see. Let me see. I'll tell you. 7y plus 6z plus 6z into 7y plus 6z, right? 7y plus 6z, 7y plus 6z, 7y plus 6z to the power 2. Is that right? Was your saying?
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay, which third question were you talking about?
Ma'am, like
Okay, this third part. Fine, you
third.
may do it in your homework, even you will have some more homeworks.
No. Yeah, ma'am, tomorrow I have to send the exercises.
Other than that, your class is left. Class is left. Just wait, wait. Try one more question. 4x square minus 8x plus 4.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Because
Isn't it visible?
no, ma'am, it's simple.
4x square minus 8x
Yes, ma'am,
plus 4.
it's visible. It's visible, ma'am.
4x square minus 8x plus 4. Write
Ma'am?
down the question.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the fifth part.
Yes. Are you done with the question? While starting the question, just be careful that there is minus with the 8x. Okay, so the number should be added or subtracted in a form that they should have
Oh,
this negative sign with them. Okay, just be
okay.
careful with the thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes, go ahead. Do.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you also no.
Can I do what?
That's hard. I did with my luck. Did like in the textbook.
I'm unable to understand. Just write down the question, show me the solution. After that, tell me what are you saying.
Okay, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What numbers have been chosen by you, Saban? Unmute yourself, then speak. Saban, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. No, audible.
Okay, so what two numbers have been chosen by you?
Ma'am, I chose the 4x square minus 4x plus 4x plus 4.
So is it satisfying the equation? Minus
Okay.
4x plus 4x is, as per
Yes,
my knowledge, is equal to 0.
yes,
What
ma'am.
do
That's
you
what I
think?
was going to tell. Can I
Oh.
cut the?
Huh? Why? How will you satisfy the equation if you just cut them up? What do we
Oh,
see?
have
Okay.
to read.
See, just listen it. These two numbers are going to multiply will give 16. This thing is getting satisfied that these two numbers will give us 16. Is this two numbers going to satisfy this condition, Saban? Are they giving you the sum to be 8 or are they giving you the difference of 8?
No, no.
We do not have to just take two numbers through of which the
Ma'am, it
product
should
is the
be different. It should be different.
Yes, it could be a difference. What is the matter with the difference? Is this thing satisfying the equation? Minus 4x is equals to what?
Hmm.
What?
What do you say?
Minus 4x is equals to how much?
Ma'am, it will be minus 8.
With x.
Yeah, ma'am.
So is this thing and is this thing same? So you will take these two things or you will do this thing.
Ma'am, I took. I will take the minus 1. It's better.
Yes. It's
It's
better
better.
now. That's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Do.
Oh, family.
Do fast. When you are done, just inform me. We'll do one more question of this type and we'll jump to the another identity.
And there is another identity.
This is the second identities question, right? We are done with the a plus b whole square. We are doing for a minus b whole square. A square minus b square is also left.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, do it first. After that,
Yeah.
we'll do few questions of exercise number 4.3 also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
got the answer.
How much is it? Show me.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I didn't wrote it. I just got. Here's ma'am. 4x minus 4 in bracket and another bracket in x minus 1.
Sorry, what? So whose square? What is the final? What is the final answer? What is the final answer?
No, no, I will write it in the
Show me your notebook
manual
once.
lab.
Show me your notebook once.
Ma'am,
Was
I
that
got
audible to you?
the answer.
I know that you got the answer. I'm asking you to show me your notebook. Is that audible to you? Bring it again. Bring it. Bring it. Okay, just simplify it. In which form will you simplify, Subhan? Just try to simplify. How will you simplify? Subhan, is it audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
Simplify it.
No simplification.
Yes, more simplification.
And what can we remove? So,
You tell me.
what can we simplify?
What is your answer? Your answer is 4x minus 4 and x minus 1, right? Is it possible for me to take 4 common from this bracket? Where,
Okay.
one second. Whereas I have x minus 1 also. So what
Ma'am,
can I
it's
write? X
4
minus 1 whole square.
square, yeah.
Note it down.
Yeah. 0 to can we put a so should I I can write.
Sorry.
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Done. Done. Note down the next question and start solving it.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a second.
Now will I do this?
One second. Now solve it. Am I visible and audible both?
Yeah, ma'am. You are able to.
Then do. Inform me when you're done.
Okay, ma'am. I'm interested if like the same method is going to be used or like it will be
Same method.
oh, ma'am.
How much is a plus b whole square? Yes, Subhan?
Ma'am, what is it?
I said that how much would be L plus M whole square?
Ma'am, it will be L square plus 2LM plus M square. Right?
So can you write it in your notebook?
Ma'am,
Write it. Done? Is it done?
ma'am, I'm writing the identity.
Leave the identity, you write, you just expand this thing.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Do not write the identities. Write it
Ma'am,
in
I
your fair
wrote
notebook.
it.
Okay. Start with the question directly.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am wrote.
Wrote?
Yeah,
What have you wrote?
Ma'am, I wrote L minus 6.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, I wrote L plus 2LM plus M square.
Why have you written this?
Ma'am, you told.
Me told? Why have I told you this?
And because this is the identity which will be used in.
Where have put it your brain? What is written on the screen?
Ma'am, it's the question.
Read out the question.
L plus M in the bracket whole square.
So
Minus.
why have you written L square plus 2LM plus M square?
Ma'am, because L plus M square is equal to this.
And the
And
question
ma'am, minus
itself is
4.
asking you to expand, right? So you have expanded the bracket first. Now you will subtract the thing from that. Then you will continue as we do the question. Is that clear to you? Is it? Okay.
And first I have to rearrange it.
It's up to you. If you want to rearrange, you may. Otherwise, just continue.
That one,
Right?
yes.
Do it.
Okay.
What is the final expression which you got, Subhan? What final? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what final expression you have got?
Ma'am, my God. Let's see, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, I got it as L square minus 2LM plus M square. I just rearranged it again.
Fine. Now what will you do?
No, ma'am, I have to like. Ma'am, 2LM is equal to LM, LM plus LM.
And what else? Then what will you do? Just do it, do it. Do it. You have only 1 minute to solve the question. Just do it. Is it done, Saban? Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you, Saban? Saban, am I audible to you? I think I should be audible.
Saban. Saban, am I audible to you?
Ma'am, I can answer L square plus M square.
L square plus M square.
L square M square. Like that.
L square M square.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't
Do you even think that L square minus 2lm plus m square will give you an expression of L square plus M square?
know because plus minus LM will be there. Minus LM plus LM.
Minus Lm plus Lm is equals to how much?
0.
Do we need 0?
No, we don't need.
So what do we need?
No, we need that.
What do we need?
The answer, I guess.
Sorry, what?
Not the answer. We need the answer.
What is the answer? Why are we doing this? Trying to get what?
So, ma'am, I don't have to, like, I can't cut it. Or I can't put it as 0.
You leave the thing. You just tell me why are we adding or subtracting two things? What do we need?
What? Ma'am, we need the answer.
Obviously,
We have
when
to
we have
find.
written a question, we'll be needing an answer only, Taban.
Yeah, let's.
The first step is to multiply these two terms. We got what? L square, M square. We need to find any two numbers which will give us this product, right or wrong? Speak it up.
Yes, ma'am, but what can
Then
we do?
what do? We find any two numbers, either the sum of which or either the difference of which should be equal to the coefficient of the variable, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. How will I do this?
So Saban, if I write this thing as this, what will I get? Look into the camera straight.
Now I think it will
What
minus.
will we get? Minus LM equals to how much?
Oh.
Not audible. Equals to how much? Not even audible. Come close to your device and speak it up. How much would be minus LM minus LM? Right, minus LM. Saban, minus LM is equals to minus LM square. What? Minus LM is equals to how much? Leave minus LM. Minus x equals to how much? Minus x is equals to minus 12. Which theory are you applying? Who asked you about minus 6? Am I audible to you? You could speak. If you are not audible, kindly rejoin the class. Yes, it's audible now. Now speak. What is the problem? Minus L. I am not. Yes, I am not asking you
Minus
about
L
minus 6.
square. Ma'am, I'm doing minus L square. M square.
How could the power be increased while adding or subtracting, Saban?
Yes, ma'am, I'm not telling about square. Ma'am, it will be minus.
Minus what?
Minus 2 LM.
Minus x equals to how much?
It will be minus 4.
How much?
Minus 4.
So what was the matter? How was the answer coming to be minus L square M square or LM square? What was the matter?
No, I was
Minus 2 LM, right?
confused.
So why were you taking minus LM plus LM? Why don't you check that the thing is coming out to be 0 or is equal to the coefficient present over here? What is the matter? Why are you not able to understand? Before starting with the question, just check what two terms you have got. Is the product same to the required condition? Is the sum equal to the required condition? How could you start with minus LM plus LM equals to 0 and just telling me the answer to be as L square plus M square? don't think there is need to send so many messages for the same reply. Understood or not, Saban? If it is done, then just kindly solve this question. Solve this question. I am not audible to you. Am I audible to you, Saban? Yes or no? Am I audible to you, Saban? Is it audible to you now? No. Saban, solve the question written on the screen. Solve the question written on the screen. You might stop typing.
Ma'am, should I solve this?
Yes, Saban. Yes, you are audible.
Oh, she's muted. Okay.
Kindly solve the question which is given on the screen. Was it audible to you now?
Same question as in the last question, right? Think so.
Yes. This is the same question. Just try to solve it. Okay. Saban, I think you are having the connection problem. Just try to rejoin the class once.
Hello, ma'am.
Saban, you are having the network issue. Kindly rejoin the class in 2 minutes. Was it audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, I know that you can hear me. Kindly rejoin the class either if it's not audible to you.
Ma'am, it's audible. Should I rejoin? Yeah.
Okay, fine. Start doing with the question which is present on the screen. A plus B whole square minus 4ab.
Yeah, ma'am. I just started.
Yes, kindly do.
Yeah. Done.
Is it done?
No, ma'am.
Solve the question as quickly as you can.
Ma'am, I can't find the thing which,
What can you
like,
not find?
ma'am, like if we multiply it, we'll get piece 2a
We'll
minus
find.
2ab minus 2.
So we'll find multiply. After multiplying, we should get 2lb, or after that, after addition or subtraction, we should find 2ab.
Oh, ma'am, after subtraction, we should find 2a minus 2ab.
So there is no number through which minus 2ab is able to come after
Ma'am,
subtraction or
there
addition.
is. Ma'am, I just got it. Minus ab minus ab equal to minus ab.
Minus ab is equals to how much?
Minus ab.
Minus ab is equals to minus ab.
Minus 2ab.
Fine, minus 2ab. It's fine.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Carry on.
No, ma'am.
Inform me when you are done.
Yes. Ma'am.
I hope it's done.
No, ma'am, in the last, like, second last step, I'm just doing it. Ma'am, can we follow? got the answer.
How much is it?
Ma'am, A in bracket A minus B minus B in bracket A plus B.
You want to study or not?
Yes, ma'am, I have to study.
You need it? So how can there be anything in the next bracket as A plus B, Saman?
Wait. Ma'am, it will be plus minus minus from the sign. That's all.
What do you think?
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
Then write it if you think.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
After that, show me your notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Done? You may keep your notebook down. Keep your notebook
Is
down.
it
Start writing the next question.
okay?
Give me your answer, final answer.
A minus B square whole square.
Answer is A minus B whole square. Answer is correct. Note down the next question.
Ma'am, is this a question from any exercise or something? Or
Okay. It's the question number 2, first part of exercise number 4.2.
Yes,
The question is 4p square minus 9q square. Till now we were studying about a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we have studied about a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2b.
Maybe somebody did like that.
Aban, what is the answer for this a square minus b square?
ma'am, are you saying so? Oh, ma'am, are you asking the answer for this?
Yes, I am asking the answer for this.
A square minus B square equal to in bracket A plus B and in one more bracket A minus B. Right, ma'am.
Okay, so can you break these two terms in this form?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am, we can of course break it.
How?
No.
How?
Oh,
How? How will you solve this? How will you convert this thing into this
oh.
term?
Okay, okay. Ma'am, first I have to do like one minute.
Yes, Saban, how will you convert a square minus b square?
Ma'am, let's see.
4 is the square of which number?
No, we're just going to 2. Ma'am, it will be like 2p square whole square minus 3, 3q whole square. Yeah.
Once this thing has been converted into this form, a square minus b square, can you now put it in this form? How will you expand? These are the factors of a square minus b square, right? A minus b and a p. So is it possible for you to convert this expression into this form? No?
Ma'am, it is.
Tell me, how will you?
First we will take like it says 2p plus 3q and ma'am 2p minus 3q and yeah ma'am. That's
Any bracket, anything?
yeah ma'am. Both the brackets are there like this. Yes, ma'am.
Now there is one more question. This
Ma'am,
does
I
not.
didn't even wrote anything.
I'm giving you another question.
Okay, ma'am.
64a square minus 16b square. Kindly solve this question. Find out the factors.
Is this from any exercise that I will write? Okay.
No, there is no. The question is not from an exercise.
Okay, ma'am. So should I leave some space for the question which you gave before this?
Do it as your homework. Okay, it is that was the exercise question. You may do it later. Just kindly solve this question. That is 64a square minus 16b square.
Ma'am, same formula, right?
What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I will do it.
Then kindly. Saban, tomorrow is Tuesday, right? We'll have a half an hour test, then we'll have a maths class.
Ma'am, for which chapter?
Natural phenomena. Was it audible? It is natural phenomena. The test would be from the natural phenomena.
Chapter number 14, right? 15. Ma'am, I think 15.
You can check it from your book. I do not remember the chapter number.
No, 15. It's 15.
Okay, then
Okay,
we have.
ma'am. I'm just trying to do this question now.
After that, all the questions from exercise number 4.2 would be your homework. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
And I will
Okay,
check
ma'am.
it tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow is my
And
holiday.
also you have to, yes, and also you have to send me the homework from that chapter which you have not done till now.
Yeah, ma'am. Tomorrow I will wake up early and I will like do question. Yeah, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes, I see. That one from him only. That is Abdul Fatah giving it. Yes, we have some people. I will send
Done now.
So, Saban. 64 is the square of 32. Keep your notebook down. Keep it down.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am.
From which date 30 to 64 has been explained?
Ma'am, can you wait? Can you wait? Ma'am, it will be 8.
Check it, check it.
Yeah, ma'am, I will.
Solve it.
Correct. Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I will correct it.
Okay.
So, ma'am, only whole, like squares are left out. I
Sorry?
thought no, nothing. No, ma'am. Just,
You made the square, right?
yeah, ma'am, yeah, ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I understood.
Yes, do. After this, the exercise would be on homework. We'll start with the next exercise tomorrow. It would not. It will not be that tough. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, done.
Huh? Show it to me. Question answer is correct. Why doesn't it come at once, Aman? Answer is absolutely correct. You may keep your notebook down. You may keep your notebook down. Okay, that was all for today. Your homework is kindly note down the homework to complete. Exercise number 4.2, accept the questions done in the class. Okay.
Ma'am, let me write it.
Is that clear to you? Yes.
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
other than that, half an hour test tomorrow.
Ma'am, wait.
Chapter natural phenomena. I hope it's done, Saban. I have to close the class. I'm done with my class today.
Ma'am, wait.
Just put it down as exercise number 4.2. What
ma'am,
does
done.
you need to
Done,
write
ma'am.
this one? Okay, come to the camera.
Yeah, ma'am.
You have to complete exercise number 4.2, accept all the questions which have been done in the class. Other than that, we'll have an half an hour class test of natural phenomena. Other than that, I have to see the previous homework which you have not sent me till now. Okay? You may keep it down. I trust you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
If there is any doubt, you may continue.
No doubt.
No doubt?
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay. Okay, then I'm ending. Anything to discuss?
No, no.
Okay, bye.